Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name or your display name on Slack. So as you can see here, right here, I have two users on Slack. One with the name Andrew and the other with the name Andrew, which is showing my name as here as well. And this is because I've invited the second account, which is also mine, and they're both showing the same name. So by right, to create future tutorials, it's better to have different names showing. And in your case, you will be learning how to change your name or your display name on Slack as well, if you need to. So how do you do that? On the lower left hand side on Slack, you'll find your profile or your account there. So you can click on this picture here, depending on what is showing in your case, and you can just click on that, and here you want to go to profile. Now it's going to open up your profile here. You'll still have the middle section showing your messages, but on the right side, you'll have possibly your image or if your picture or something like that. Now you want to click on edit. You'll have this edit button right here, and you can click on that. And here is your name. So I can say my name, right? So let's say my name is Andrew Toots, right? For example, which is not, but that's what I want to write. And I can save that, and that will be my name, right? And you will see the changes right here as well shown in Slack. You can also change the display name if we go back into edit. Right now, it is not displaying any name, and that's because it's only pulling from the full name. But if you want to change the display name, I can say this one's gonna call me Drew. I can just simply type that in, and that's gonna be like the nickname, and I can simply click and save. And you will see right here that my name is Drew Toots, but my display name that is showing on Slack is showing as Drew. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.